Hey y'all! Today we're going to be unboxing, well, double unboxing, something from Fashionphile. Kind of excited about this because I scored two things I've been looking for quite a few years, and I think they might be too good to be true, but we'll see. So if you're interested in that, please stick around after the break. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be skincare, fragrances, designer handbags, your cup of coffee, whatever makes you feel just a little bit more special and happy throughout your daily lives. So if that's the kind of content you like, please consider subscribing, sharing, and joining this happy little family that we have here. Today I have an unboxing from Fashionphile, and it's been a minute since I bought something from Fashionphile. I just realized I hadn't shopped from them for quite some time, so I'm a little leery about what's in this box. I'm a little scared, but we'll see what happens. But first, I want to talk about the bag I'm currently using. I'm on a vintage kick right now, so I've been carrying my vintage Noe, which has tons of water damage and spots, and it's imperfect in all its special little ways, but it's the bag I am currently rocking. So that will go over here, hang out in the corner. So today, Fashionphile, what drew me back here? I'd been shopping from the Real a few times last year, and then Rebag was my place of choice, I guess, last year for several things, just because they had really good prices and really good sales. But Fashionphile had a really good sale here about, I would say, a month ago or so ago, around my birthday, where it was like at $1,000 off, 3,000, you know, the exponential savings, which you got more off as you spent. These came up at the last minute of the sale, and they really, I think they're too good to be true, because the price on them, it was like, how is this possible that these are this price? So, Fashionphile box. They're two staple items, two, you might say, vintage items. Look, a calendar. Okay. I figured it'd be too late in the year to be getting the calendar, but yeah, here we are, April. But so here's one of the items. I'll put that right there. And then the other item right here, I'm gonna put this away real quick because all the confetti is gonna be jumping all over the place. I will put that box over there. And of course, to get the Fashionphile file as well as the confetti. I knew that was gonna happen. So let me start with the first one that I thought, when I saw it, I'm like, this is going to be this is impossible that this is not this nice of condition. The image looked pristine, and because of the recent price increases, I got this for around $500, and that's less than half of what they're going for now. So I am shocked that I'm getting it for this price. So take that out of its tissue, and more stuff is flying. So and I'm really excited to add one of these to the collection. So the picture showed the vachetta very pristine. This is not as light. Oh yeah, this is not the same as the picture. There's water stains and all sorts of stuff on here. So this is definitely not, the image is not the same as what I was sold. But you know, again, I got it for less than $500, and these are going for significantly more. But the bag looked a lot nicer in the image, And I mean, the interior is good. It's definitely more yellow than the picture showed. And like I said, the pochette is definitely a lot dirtier, but that's okay. I had planned on taking this strap off and probably putting the Felici chain on it, or one of my many other straps in there. But basically, I was hoping to get a damier azure piece as soon as possible. I also wanted a pochette accessoire because I don't have one, and I figured this would be the best way to add one to my collection. But it definitely is not as clean as the image showed. Again, it's way cheaper than I could have gotten. Yeah, it's really dirty along the zipper here. I wonder if I can clean it or tide pin it or something like that. I don't know. I have to look up and see what people are doing to wash their bags, but not really an odor. I mean, there's a perfume, like obviously somebody carried it in their bag with fragrance, but it's not bad. Made in Spain, it says. So otherwise, the hardware is not tarnished. So not bad. Not bad. I knew it was too good to be true. But that's okay. That's okay. And that, I've noticed that the last few things I bought from Fashionphile, the images look not the same. It's like they reuse the images from other items, which that didn't used to be the case. So a little bit concerned about that. This one I have very low expectations on. It's a vintage piece. It will be probably very similar to the Noe I just showed you. It was just at $500 as well. So that both of these together, I spent just over $1,000. So I got the $100 off offer, and so these both came home for around $900. So this one right here came in a nice drawstring dust bag. They're very generous with the size of the dust bags they provide you. So we've got the Alma PM, and this is about what the picture showed. I think the patina is pretty even. I'm not mad at it. There's not a whole lot of damage. I'm planning on wrapping. Oh wait, there's D-rings. Okay, is this did the PM have a strap? Now I'm like, this isn't the BB. This is definitely the PM. I didn't remember the PM having D-rings. Or, you know, I need to attach a strap right here. I have a crossbody strap, not a crossbody, a shoulder strap over there in black and mono that I could use. So my plan was to wrap these handles, because they're, you know, obviously patinaed, with the bandeaus that I have, and then not really worry about it. It didn't come with the lock, if I remember correctly. Yeah, Alma PM. Let's see how. Not the smoothest. We'll see. Zipper could have been the plastic though. I caught on. Try this again. No, it definitely catches right there. So we'll just need a little bit of that beeswax or whatever. Oh, this is definitely tarnished. This is dark. It's pretty good. It's not stained on the inside. I mean, there's a little bit of, looks like water spots or something like that inside there, but I'm going to use an organizer anyway. So yeah, I mean, considering how much I paid, I was going to chance buying one on eBay from Japan, but all of the patina on the vachetta looked about like the Noe there, and not quite what I liked there. So this one a little bit darker right here, but other than that, this is not bad. And I believe, I want to say this is from the 90s, but I'm not finding the date code on it. I'm sure it's somewhere that is hidden that I have no idea where to find it. Anyway, I know it's vintage. I know it is older than 10 years. It's definitely, yeah, it's, I mean, it feels thicker than that one. So yeah, no, that's not bad at all. So that is my two items, my vintage items I got from Fashionphile, and this one's not as bad as I thought. So pleasantly surprised with this one, a little bit disappointed with this one, but that's okay. So this is nice that this was able to exceed my expectations. We'll see what I can do to repair this one a little bit. I mean, not repair, but spruce it up, so to speak. Otherwise, it's in really good, oh, there is a stain right there. I missed that. I mean, they're in good condition. They're old. I mean, it is what it is. This is several years old. I want to say they were both over 10 years. Oh, is this the date code for this one? Let's see. 088. I cannot read this. Anyway, it's definitely older than 10 years, and it shows, but it is definitely a good and welcome addition to my collection. So thanks for watching. I'll have other unboxings and updates on bags coming soon, so stay tuned. Take care. Bye.